AI assistants are only as effective as the data they can access. Building a reliable knowledge base is essential for delivering accurate, context-aware responses through Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. Organizations often have valuable information spread across websites, documents, and multiple data sources. Collecting, cleaning, and structuring this data manually is time-consuming and limits the performance of AI-powered assistants. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed an automated data scraping and structuring pipeline that prepares high-quality knowledge bases for RAG-powered AI bots and AI agents. The platform automatically extracts data from multiple sources, cleans and structures the content, generates searchable knowledge repositories, and integrates them with RAG-based AI systems to deliver accurate, context-aware responses. Key features include automated data scraping, intelligent data structuring, RAG knowledge base preparation, AI bot and AI agent integration, scalable data processing, high-quality information retrieval. The solution improves AI response accuracy, reduces manual data preparation, accelerates knowledge management, and enables organizations to deploy more intelligent and reliable AI assistants.